Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Preeti's Food Menu, and this is Preeti's husband Sunil. So today I am going to cook hot spicy chicken recipe which we call smoky hot chicken drumsticks. And friends, please press on the subscribe icon to subscribe our channel, and also press on the bell icon so that you will get the notification about our upcoming cooking videos. So let's go for it. So first we're going to start with the marination. So to marinate, we will take 1 kg of the chicken, which are the drumsticks. If you won't have the drumsticks, you can take the normal chicken also. It's an easy process to cook it. And so we are going to give the cuts in the chicken leg pieces this way. See. So that all the masalas goes in it. So that's why we are going to give the cuts in the chicken this way. So I have given the cuts in all the leg pieces and the drumstick pieces of the chicken, and now we will start the marination. So we will take 2 to 3 tsp of chili powder, pepper, 1.5 tsp of salt, 1 lemon juice. As we are going to make it more hot and spicy, if you don't want to make very spicy, then you can use tomato ketchup. Or else, right now I am going to make it more hot and spicy, so I am going to use red chili sauce. This is 1.5 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of soya sauce, and 2 to 3 tsp of ginger garlic paste. I am using 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, and now we will start the marination. Marinate the complete chicken. Make a use of hands so that you can marinate the complete masala into the chicken. We will add the oil in the marination only, as we are not going to use the oil in the pan. Slightly we will use in the pan if it's required. Otherwise we are going to use 2 tsp of the oil in the marination itself. So the chicken has been properly marinated, and we are going to rest this chicken for 2 to 3 hours before frying it on the pan. So let it rest for 2 to 3 hours in the room temperature. So friends, as we rested the chicken for 2 hours, so we will now roast the chicken in the pan. So let's go for it. And now we will apply the oil in a pan like this way, so that our chicken won't get stick in it. As we already used the oil in the marination, but still we will apply the oil all over the pan by the brush this way. Pan is heated now. As you can see, the little smoke has been started. Now we will place the chicken one by one. Let's cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to turn the chicken pieces and we're going to roast it to the other side. So let's cook it for 5 minutes. Let's roast it for 5 minutes. You can see the chicken is smelling so spicy and so yummy. I'm sure you're gonna love it. When you guys going to cook it at home, you're definitely going to give me a thumbs up. So it's now 5 minutes. Let's turn over the chicken. Wow. See, it's roasting so yummy, so well. After turning the chicken, apply the oil on it. You can see the chicken is roasting so properly. Let's cook this side also for 5 minutes. Apply some more marination over the chicken which is left out in your bowl so that it won't get wasted and becomes more yummy. After 5 minutes, let's turn over the chicken once again. And this time now we will cover the pan. I will fully cover the pan. Let's cook the chicken for more 10 minutes. And we have to turn in between as well to check the chicken whether it is burning or not. After 5 minutes we will uncover the pan. Wow, look at the smoke, and the chicken has also released it. Now we will turn it again. We will again turn the chicken for more 5 minutes. Let's cover it for more 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes we will uncover the pan once again. Wow, look at the smoke and the chicken. Does it seem yummy? Now we will cook the chicken. It's going to be remain open as we want to dry this gravy which chicken has left. We have to keep on turning the chicken to roast the chicken on all the sides properly. Make sure that all the chicken should get roasted properly. Now you can see the left out gravy of the chicken is getting dried up. So our chicken is getting ready. So now the hot, smoky, spicy chicken drumsticks are ready to serve. One more thing is left. We have to give the coal smoke in it. So we'll take out the chicken in another bowl to give the coal smoke in it. So get the complete restaurant taste. So this is the main highlight part of this chicken. I have placed the chicken all over in the pan and placed the small vati in between of the chicken drumsticks. So I am going to put the burning coal in it and going to give the tadka of ghee, and this is going to give the coal smoke in the chicken which is going to make hot, spicy, smoky chicken drumsticks. So the coals are properly burnt and ready. We'll place the coal into the vati and take a half tablespoon of ghee and let's cover it. So we are giving the smoke to the complete chicken to give the taste of the restaurant. Let's keep it for a minute. After a minute, we will uncover the pan and look at the hot, spicy, smoky chicken drumstick is ready to serve now. We can serve the chicken with mayonnaise, sauce, and chutney also. So now we'll take it out in the plate and let's have it. So friends, this is our hot, spicy, smoky chicken drumsticks are ready to serve. If you really like the recipes, please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Please press the subscribe icon and press on the bell icon to get more and more notification of our channel so that you can watch our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my cooking show.